Hey guys, happy Thursday and welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about a new strategy, but it's not exactly new. All right, we've talked in the past about how it can be really helpful to tell your story out loud if you're trying to add details and you're not sure where to begin. And today I'm going to kind of take that conversation just a little bit further, and we're going to talk about how to act your story out loud. So, not just talking it, but really trying to pretend that you're on a stage or the star of your own movie. And in order to do this, you're going to need a story that you've been working on, but maybe it's a little bit unfinished. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the story that I had started earlier this week about going on a bike ride, and my mom suddenly shouted, "Look out!" Because that's really all that I have. I have like my beginning, I have my middle where my mom says, "Look out!" But I haven't really added a lot of details, and I don't know how I'm going to end this story yet. So I'm going to try acting it out here with you and see if I can't find some more details to write about. All right. So I was riding my bike one day. I was going so fast. My hair was blowing in the wind. I could hear leaves crunching underneath the tire of my bike. Look at that. Already, I've got one more detail to add in. I'm going to remember to add in leaves. I'm just going to put that word down quick so I don't forget. Okay, on to the middle of my story. All of a sudden, my mom yelled, "Look out!" And I, of course, was terrified, and I turned around. Look at that. I'm already remembering more details just by acting it out. My body moved, and I remembered, hey, I did. I turned around. And then she said, "No, no, look the other way." And of course, I did look the other way. And oh my God, there was a squirrel in front of me. Hey, and look, it just happened again. So now I know what to write for my ending. I've got to write about how there was a squirrel right in front of me. And guys, you won't believe the absolute madness that happened after that. My bike turned to the left. My bike turned to the right. I veered. I swerved. Still going. I'm still able to add more details by continuing to act it out. Luckily, at the very end, I managed to avoid the squirrel, but I did fall down into a giant pile of leaves. So I have got a lot of writing to do. I'd better get to it. Today, I want you to try this same strategy where you are also going to try to act out your story. Let your body move just like it was moving when when that story first happened, and see if you can't write down some of the details about what your body did, what you were thinking, what you were feeling. I can't wait to see all the great stuff you're going to do. When you're done, I want you to take a look through your work. I want you to see what kind of stories you've written over the past couple of weeks, and you're going to try to upload them to Dojo today so that we have the chance to see all of the hard work you've been doing. You can either upload them as a video where you could read your story out loud and act it out, or you could take 3 pictures for the 3 pages that you should have written. Go ahead and take a look through and try and find your best story. And definitely don't forget to do your 30 minutes of writing today. 15 minutes, take a quick break, go back in, work on some more writing and illustrating. Thanks so much for coming today, and you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.